Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to read If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. So again, this is the cover, this is the spine, and it was written by Laura Numeroff, and that means she wrote all of the words in here, and it was illustrated by Felicia Bond. So that means she's the one who drew all of these pictures. Okay. If you give a mouse a cookie. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's probably going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw, and when he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. He'll then want to look in the mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. And when he looks in the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim, so he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. Whew, he's tired. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited, he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture. You see all the crayons? When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name. It's a nice picture. With a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need... What do you think he'll need? Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back and look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So he'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he's going to want a cookie to go with it. And thanks, guys. Have a great day.